What is the best cleaner for rubber car mats? The best cleaner for car rubber mats may vary depending on your needs and preferences. However, in general, car owners will clean the rubber mats of the car through a well-equipped car wash service. Meanwhile, if you are planning to wash the rubber mats on your car by yourself at home, then ZiiCars News will provide an overview of several options for car mat cleaning tools. Here are some cleaning options that are commonly used to clean car rubber mats. Car-specific rubber cleaner. Many automotive manufacturers provide special cleaners for car rubber. These products are specifically designed to clean and maintain rubber mats without damaging or harming the surface. Liquid soap and water. Mix liquid car soap with water to make a mild cleaning solution. Brush or wipe the rubber mats with this solution to clean them. Natural rubber cleaner. Mix white vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio. This solution can help remove stains and dirt on rubber mats. Baby wipes. Baby wipes can be an easy and gentle option for cleaning rubber mats. Make sure to choose products that are free of fragrances and excessive chemicals. Soft toothpaste. A mild toothpaste that does not contain bleach can be used to clean small stains on rubber mats. Apply the toothpaste with a soft toothbrush, then rinse well. Coconut oil or olive oil. Coconut oil or olive oil can be used to treat and leave the rubber mat soft after cleaning. Make sure to wipe off any excess oil with a clean cloth. Before using a cleaner, always check the instructions for use and compatibility with the rubber material on your car. Also, be sure to do a test run on a small area first, especially if you are using a new product or solution, to ensure no damage is done. Okay, hope this helps.